Today I'm going to share a healthy cupcake recipe without sugar. You will not believe how easy the frosting is. This is an ultra healthy red velvet cupcake recipe, which sounds too good to be true, but these cupcakes are pretty good considering the ingredients are so simple and so healthy. They would be great any time of the year, but we are going to make these red, white, and blue cupcakes for those that are looking for a healthy dessert at your summer barbecues and parties. If you're wanting low sugar and low fat red velvet cupcakes, then keep watching. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria, and I'm a full-time graphic designer, and I love hopping onto YouTube every week where I share tips on bringing creativity into your everyday life. I create fashion lookbooks, home DIYs, and recipe videos. So please consider subscribing if you like those types of things because it really helps my channel out. If you're looking for some other healthy cupcake recipes, I've also done a vanilla keto cupcake recipe, which I will link in the description box below for you, along with the link to my blog post, which has the printable recipe for these red velvet cupcakes. Okay, let's get right into this recipe for low sugar, low fat red velvet cupcakes. This will take about 30 minutes to make, and it makes about 6 cupcakes. The ingredients you will need for the cupcakes are 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons water, 8 tablespoons oat bran, 4 teaspoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons Truvia, 4 tablespoons Greek yogurt plain, 2 tablespoons skim milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and red food coloring. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Put the whites in a mixer with 2 teaspoons of water and mix them until the whites are stiff, and then set that aside. Then you'll mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl, and you'll beat the egg yolks, yogurt, and vanilla, and slowly add the egg whites and the dry ingredients together. And then you'll add that red food coloring until it is the color that you want. Then you can line a muffin tray with some liners, or you can go ahead and use silicone molds, or you could even just spray them with a little cooking spray so they'll be easy to come out. You will bake these in the 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean, and then you will know they are done. If they're not done, just bake them for a couple more minutes and test them again. So that was pretty easy for the cupcakes. Now we're gonna move on to the frosting. For the frosting, all you will need is 1 container of sugar-free Cool Whip, 1 package of sugar-free instant vanilla pudding, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then I'm going to use blueberries for the decor on top. In a medium bowl, combine the pudding mix with the milk and vanilla and mix that until smooth. And then gently fold in the whipped topping until no streaks remain. Next, you'll put the frosting on top and add a few blueberries for decoration, and then you have some delicious yet healthy red velvet cupcakes. Let me know in the comments section below what your favorite low sugar recipe is. And don't forget to check out that keto vanilla cupcake video I made for you if you want more healthy cupcake ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.